guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be the market analysis video for 30th Jan. Next week is going to be quite an interesting week because we have the budget day coming up on Feb 1st. We also have had a lot of volatility in the market lately. So I'm going to share my view on what's going to happen to the market. So let's get right into the video. All right, so let's start with the global markets. So as you guys can see that the US market has been following this trend line for a really long time. So whenever it came next to the trend line, there's been a wide move to the downside. But if you see lately that the US market had kept making higher highs and broke out of the trend line and closed above its 200 moving average, which is a big thing. And my view for the US market is now bullish for a few months because this is a very important level and it closed even above this resistance and the 200 moving average, which are considered as crucial resistance or support. So that's my view for the US market. Also, if you notice, the European markets, the Asian markets have been really positive. So the global markets have been positive lately. But if you go to our market, there's been a huge sell-off and volatility in the market. So like I mentioned in the previous market analysis video, like I mentioned in the previous market analysis video, I'll be bearish, which was for last week. And like I said, this region acted as a huge support, and then there's been a huge sell-off from that region. So what's my view for this week? All right, so 17,800 has been a really important level for the market, or you could say this region has been a very important level for the market and it's broke out from that level. So for the previous weeks, my strategy was taking reversal trades, which is basically we took this trade up. Then when it hit this trend line, we took this trade up. We again took this trade up. So all these are reversal trades, right? So I've been waiting for the market to reverse and then taking up a trade. My strategy is going to change slightly right now. I'm going to take up breakout trades. My main view is that the market's going to stay between these two levels, which is 17,800 and the 200 moving average in the daily time frame. So market's going to stay in this region, which is around 500 points. So I'll be taking a breakout trade. So if I go to a lower time frame, if I go to the 15-minute time frame, so for example, I'll tell you what's a breakout trade. So this is a breakout, right? And it broke an important level. There was a retest, and then there's been a fall again. So I'll be taking a position here. Same thing, similarly, if the market comes around here, breaks this level, takes a retest and again starts falling down, I'll be taking a position. So I'll be taking a breakout trade till the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. Or again, we are traders, we need to decide both the outcomes. Next week is the budget day, and the global cues have been really positive. So the market could get back up. So if the market decides to go up and if it opens somewhere here and it decides to go up, I'll again be looking for a breakout trade over here. I wouldn't be looking for a reversal trade. So if there's a reversal here, I'll stay put in the market and I won't take any position. because if we go like let's do a little more analysis. So if I close everything, right? If you see when so this is a very important psychological point. So if you see a bull market, there would be some sideways days, and then there would be a breakout. Our bull markets usually grow gradually like this. So if you guys see here, it's a gradual move, right? But if you see on the other hand a bear markets just quickly go down. Do you see that? Right? This is based on previous data. Bear markets quickly go down. This is a very psychological, it's very important psychological point because um, obviously you would have heard the term that when everyone is scared, you should look for opportunities, and when everyone's looking for opportunities, you should be scared. That's what this conveys, that whenever the market's falling down, uh, more people panic and start selling off. But when the market's going up, people are usually skeptical. So that's a very important psychological point. So now that we're in a bear market, I wouldn't look for a reversal because reversals usually take a lot of time. So that's why my plan of action is to take up breakout trades. So that's for Nifty. Let's move on to Bank Nifty. Again, my so Bank Nifty, so I traded in Bank Nifty, right? So as I said, this is an important trend line in my previous market analysis video. And from that trend line, there's been a huge fall in the market. And it broke out this important level. So again, that it's the same view for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll be taking up breakout trades. So let's go to a lower time frame. So this is a breakout trade, and this is a good opportunity to take a trade. And again, it broke out of an important level. So if it opens somewhere here and breaks from this low or this region, I'll be interested to take up a trade. And again, my region for Bank Nifty is 41,600 to the 200 moving average in the daily time frame. So it's around 2,000 points. So my view could be towards the 200 moving average, but again, we are traders. If it breaks to the upside, then I'll be looking for a breakout trade. All right. Also, the next week is the budget week, so there could be a positive movement in the market, and the global cues also show that. So, but if you see on the other hand, if you look up some data, you see that FIIs have been selling a lot recently. So on Jan 27th, FIIs sold almost 6,000 crores worth of shares. On Jan 25th, they sold almost 2,500. So FII has been like stacking up and selling continuously in the market. If you also see, Bank Nifty has been there's been a short build-up on Bank Nifty, so the short positions are taking power and pushing the market down. So next week could be, you really can't take a side based on the levels which I gave. So you guys could quickly copy the levels for this is for Bank Nifty, and this is for Nifty. Also look out for the 200 moving average for both the indexes. All right, so that's my strategy for Bank Nifty and Nifty. I'll be taking up breakout trades. If I get good levels. I wouldn't be taking up reversal trades. What I mean by that is I wouldn't be expecting the market to come here and taking up a trade somewhere here. I'll be taking up breakout trades. So let's move to stocks really quick. Let's go to Bharati Airtel. So Bharati Airtel has been consolidating for a long time. So this is a good intraday opportunity because the budget day is coming up and there will be volatility in the market. So if Bharati Airtel happens to break this region, which is 779.7 to 778.45. The good target would be 792.9 or the 200 moving average. I'm sorry, just 792.9. So, but towards the lower side, if Bharati Airtel breaks this region, then we can take a target of 759.5 and 752.9. So that's my levels for Bharati Airtel. That's a good stock to trade, and watch out for Bharati Airtel. Again, Britannia. So Britannia has been making higher highs. So again, since the budget day is coming up, there would be volatility. So if Britannia comes back to this trend line, you guys can take up a trade near the trend line and keep your so this could be your first level. So if it comes back to the trend line, your first level could be this region, which is over here. Your second level could be this. Your third level could be this. So I gave you 3 levels to the upside. But if Britannia breaks this region, we can take a position to the downside to a target of 4293.45. HDFC. Again, HDFC has been in this movement. It's made a descending triangle. So if it breaks from this trend line, the first target could be this level of 1632.35, and the next target could be this region. Also towards the downside, if it breaks out from this level, we'll be taking a target of 1585.35. So these are my picks for intraday stocks. This video won't be having any swing trading stocks because right now I'm not sure of the market movement. Like I can't say that there's a clear bullish market or there's a clear bearish market. We'll see next week, maybe after the budget week, that how the market moved and take a side based on that. So right now I'm just going to take up breakout trades, whichever side they are. I'll be cautious for next week because global Q in one side global Qs are positive, but in one side FIIs are selling heavily. So be cautious for next week. Just take up trades only if you're 100% confident in the strategy. Also, if you guys are a beginner here, I suggest you to sit and watch the movement of market and or paper trade the market. Other than that, I'll just stop screen sharing. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you guys like this market analysis video and want more market analysis video, comment down below. Also, let me know what video you guys would like to watch. Comment that down below too. Other than that, have a safe trading week. Again, be cautious for next week because you really don't know which side you're taking up, or at least I don't know which side I'm going to take up unless I see clear breakouts. So I shared my entire plan or strategy for next week. If you guys trade that and if you guys made money based on that, or using my market analysis video, if you guys made money, that's great. Comment it down below. Um, Other than that, have a safe trading session. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.